This is Tom from the 125 Live TechMates team in Rochester, Minnesota. When Zooming with your smartphone, you might want to show everyone your cute little kitty cat, your new home, the view of the lake, or something else with the front camera. Let's take a look at how that is done. To avoid problems, make sure that you have the current version of Android and Zoom on your smartphone. Before joining a meeting, to avoid interruptions, you might want to turn on Do Not Disturb. While I'm using a Moto G6 to make this presentation, keep in mind that there are many versions of Android smartphones out there. So some of your screens might look a little different than mine, but the process should be similar. If you have a link to the meeting, you can skip the meeting ID and passcode entry steps. By tapping on the link, the meeting ID and passcodes will be automatically handled for you, and you will be directed to the host will let you in soon screen. Otherwise, open Zoom by tapping on the blue Zoom camera icon. In this demo, I won't be signing in. The process will be similar if logged in, so tap on Join Meeting. Enter the meeting ID. If you don't see a keyboard, tap on the meeting ID field. You can enter a personal link name. I entered Tom's Android, then tap on Join. Enter the meeting passcode, then tap on OK. If you don't see a keyboard, tap on the meeting passcode field. Wait for the host to let you into the meeting. After the host lets you into the meeting, your screen will look similar to this. You see two choices for audio, but you actually have three choices. First one is Wi-Fi or cellular data. If Wi-Fi is available, or if you don't mind using data, then tap on this option. Dial in if Wi-Fi is not available, or if you want to save cellular data, then tap on this option. No audio. If you are already in the meeting with another device that has audio turned on, you will want no audio. This is accomplished by tapping on neither option. Just tap on a neutral area on the screen. I'll tap on Wi-Fi or cellular because I have Wi-Fi available here. After a short time, the Zoom meeting controls will disappear from the bottom of your screen, and your screen will look like this. Tap your screen to get them to reappear. To show everyone your cute little kitty cat or anything else you can point your camera at, all you need to do is tap on the video camera icon in the Zoom meeting controls if video is not on, and then just tap on the little camera icon in the top left corner of the screen to switch to the front camera. If your camera window looks small like this, tap on it to enlarge it. Point the camera at your cute little kitty cat or whatever. I'm pointing at a clock on my dresser. Tap the little camera icon on the top left corner of the screen to switch back to the selfie camera. If you find the video quality acceptable, great. You might get better video quality if you open your camera application while sharing your screen. To learn how to do that, watch our How to Share Your Android Screen When Zooming YouTube video. When you're ready to leave the meeting, tap on the red Leave button. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you still have questions, self-help is available on our website, as you can see on the screen, www.125livetechmates.org. We also have a YouTube channel with lots of helpful videos on there, 125 Live TechMates. Personal assistance is free for 125 Live social members. We have open labs at 125 Live and via Zoom. You can email us at 125livetechmates@gmail.com. And also Personal assistance can be arranged via phone and Zoom. Again, that is for 125 Live social members. You can call 507, the number's right here, 287-1404 to join 125 Live.